Hey friends, Wayne Brown, the Ram Man. What we've got is a friend of mine's 1960 Dodge truck that he graciously allowed us to work on. Of course, he's going to get something out of the deal. There's our fantastic drum brakes that come on these trucks. You know, disc brakes wasn't offered. There's a new power unit that we've designed. It's fairly similar to the original A-body in the late 60s. Sets on those brackets so that it clears the clutch, cylinder, tandem diaphragm, booster, 1-inch bore, disc brake, master cylinder. So you get power brakes, you get disc brakes, and you convert over to a dual circuit brake system instead of the single and one fell swoop bolt on maneuver. Yeah, I kind of like it, and it works really well. Here we have over here, we have a disc brake set up here. Well, this is the brand new one with the new drilled and slotted rotors that we've made. And there's that 1976 factory Chrysler components that we were able to figure out how to bolt on that factory spindle. All you have to do is drill out 4 holes and tap them, and you're ready to go. Now, how do you think this thing's gonna stop compared to how it used to stop? Well, I'll tell you what, it's gonna be absolutely freaking fantastic. Game changer. Give me a call, 817-691-5996. Of course, I'm on the web, theramman.com, THERAMMAN.com, and you can email me there too at wayne@theramman.com. Happy Moparing, God bless America, and God bless us all. Thank you, and have a super, super, super day.